Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I just wanted to do a little Saturday chat today, and I this week has been kind of crazy for me, but there was no video yesterday because I took a little jaunt with my children. We had Long John Silver's on the corner near where we live that closed several years ago. So we have to go halfway across town to get to a Long John Silver's. Well, back in June, the end of June, when we bought our car, I had the two younger children with me, my daughter, who is the most pickiest eater in the world, and my son, because we needed to see if the car was big enough for him. He's too tall to fit. So we took him car shopping with us. Well, anyway, after we bought the car, we went to Long John Silver's, and it was under construction. They are turning it into a Starbucks. So, of course, my pickiest of picky eaters, who loves Long John Silver's fish, was so disappointed. So there is still a Long John Silver's in the next town over. So yesterday, kicking off her birthday week, I told her we could go over to the next town and go get some Long John Silver's, and that made her day. Well, there's also a Tuesday morning in the next town over, so I had to stop there first. So I went into Tuesday morning, and oh my gosh, it was so sad. I'm telling you guys, there were like, I hope this isn't glaring in your face. I'll move it over. Everything's plastic though, so there were like maybe 30, 40 paper packs that were there. That was it. And they usually have hundreds of paper pads that you can rifle through, go through. And I was just so disappointed. There was not one Tim Holtz item, nothing. There were a couple of Crafter's Companions Spectrum Noir pin sets. There were some brands I've never heard of, lots of yarn. But I was just so disappointed. They had about half an aisle on one side dedicated to paper crafting. And usually there's, both sides of the aisle on the old one that we used to have that closed. So I was a little disappointed. I left Tuesday morning and did not buy one thing. And that doesn't ever happen. So anyway, a little ways down from the Tuesday morning, there happens to be a Dollar Tree. So it's a larger Dollar Tree than the one that's near my house, so I thought I'd pop in there. And they had these Christmas mini bows again, so I grabbed a pack of that. I thought, actually grabbed 2 packs because I think I can add them to this the journal set we're working on. I got these cute ribbon. It says Believe, and I want to use this for some words. I may use this even on the cover. We'll see. But I was thinking I could kind of maybe tuck it. My fingers aren't working today, but maybe tuck it under and make some little wings or something. There's not an awful lot. It's only 3 yards, so that's 6 yards for 12 books. That's only a half a yard to tie, so I can't use it for a tie. I think I'm probably going to use some organdy ribbon. I have a big batch of it from close to my heart back in the day that I still need to use up, so I think I'll use that. So I got 2 of those. These are actually my daughter's. She gives away Chex Mix every year to her co-workers. And then I stocked up on these. They had the pink, the blue, the white. I got 1 of each of those because I don't use those quite as often. But I got 3 of the antiqued champagne color of those. And then I got an important papers pouch. That's what we call this in our house. My son just turned 18, and I told him it's time for him to get an important papers pouch to keep all his certificates and selective services and Social Security and all his important papers, so that he won't misplace them. And my Dollar Tree didn't have any of these, so I just happened to see it, and I thought, oh cool, I'll just grab one of those for him. So that was my haul it was really sad, guys, because I spent what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $10. Kind of disappointing. But after we left Tuesday morning and Dollar Tree, we went to McDonald's to get drinks, and then we went to Long John Silver's to get food. And of course, there's always one, right? My oldest daughter does not like fish. So luckily there's a Taco Bell right next door. So we had to go through Taco Bell. Then we sat in the parking lot and ate. And then we came home, and then they ran to Minchie's and got yogurt and brought me back some, which was interesting. So if you have Minchie's, it was the cinnamon roll yogurt, which was very good, but it had cream cheese icing as a topping. Not so good. I didn't like that at all. So anyway, I'm just going to update you where I am. We have these covers. I have not sewn the pages in yet, but I think I'm going to go ahead and sew those together. They are getting a little bit chunkier, but I have some coffee dyed paper over here, and I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put one in, oh, they're falling over. I'm going to put one in full size and do like I did with the fold it in like I did with the grid paper, but I'll do it in the back half. And then I'm going to take the other piece and cut it in half and add 2 half pages. And I think that'll give me 14 pages. I think that's about all probably I can go through with my sewing machine. And then if I have to take something out, I can. But I think the lists are so thin that they'll count as one paper. And so I think we'll be okay. The doilies are kind of thin. The list is thin. It's this 28-pound paper that adds up. The graph paper is somewhat thin. So I think we'll be okay with that. And then I've got some. Yesterday when I came home while the kids were gone, I put some envelopes. These are tiny envelopes I put together. These are just going to get clipped to one of the pages. And then some, I don't have the inserts in those yet, but what's going to go inside that is the Merry Christmas. And then these have these little coin envelopes I put together, and these have a little booklet inside. So these have all been, I'm having a hard time with the glue now, and I guess it's because I don't have the fan on in here, and so I can only sit at my desk and work for a short time before my nose starts running and my throat starts burning. I feel like my nose hairs are singed, and the only thing it could be is the Beacon 3-in-1. So I'm trying to be really careful about not sitting here at my desk for, all day because of the glue. Otherwise, I'll just get up and turn the fan on, and it seems to be okay if the fan is on. But okay, what else? I found instructions on my phone for making multiples, and so I thought it would be fun to compare notes. So on Monday, when I come back, we'll go through some of these, and I don't know how far I'll get before Monday, but on Monday I'll come back and we'll go through my notes on my phone and see how well I did, because I'm doing these from memory right now. I know the flip over is on target, but I don't remember. I don't know if I want to put belly bands in here. Do I want to waste a writing page by adding a belly band? I don't know. So anyway, I am going to add that coffee dye, so we'll see. But I have my list, so I'm sure it'll be close to these type of items. I've got the envelopes over here that I just showed you. I need to do the corner flips, some side tucks. Now I'll do the side tucks with the ephemera pieces, and then there's a couple of we did the front and back cover pockets, but there's pockets that came with the kit, and I only cut 2 per book, so we're not going to be doing the whole 4 this time. I may I may cut the belly bands, but we'll see where we get with that. And we've got the banner tuck, the flip over, and sometimes, you know, this is for a full-size journal, not for a tan, and so some of it gets modified and cut in half. But there was a lot of ephemera with this kit, so there won't be any lack of what to stuff in it. And then I'll probably print out some more of the lined pages and stuff those in, because we have this area here, and you know, even tuck one back here, and then even just attaching a piece, you know, maybe in here with a paper clip or whatever. No right or wrong, just whatever we feel like. And it changes from day to day and project to project. So, all right, guys, that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. I've got groceries coming, and we'll see. Hopefully it'll be my order this time, and hopefully it'll be all of my order, because I'm a little tired of talking to the 1-800 Walmart people. They're very nice, don't get me wrong, but I just want a normal grocery order of my groceries, not someone else's. Especially when you have dinner plans and you're waiting for that one ingredient, then your husband has to buy dinner, which is not necessarily a bad thing. He is so easy to get along with. Last night I was like, I'm working on Ancestry. Can you, do you mind if we have pizza? He's like, okay. He doesn't care. He's so easy to get along with. But anyway, I'm rambling, and you like my rambling, but I don't like my rambling. So I'll see you next time, guys. Have a great weekend. Take care.